Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Here I am with the soft glam, soft peachy eyes. This look can be worn for any festive occasions and as well as for your birthday, your reception and for your friend's shadi. This look is very easy to create and very easy to achieve. If you're still interested to know how I achieved this one, then keep on watching and consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to be concealing my eyes because we'll do our eyes first. I'm using Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette for the first time in this video, but I have already used this palette a lot of times after this look. This is All I Need by Tan Beauty, is first ever eyeshadow palette made by her, and yes, I absolutely love the color scheme. So I thought, why not use these shadows today? So I mixed two of the mattes and started placing on my outer V of the eyes, and slowly I will start blending this matte into my inner corners of the eyes. So basically, even if you don't want to do this step, you can simply place this matte eyeshadow all over your eyelids. Later I went ahead with Champagne Gold, which has a lot gold happening, and placing all over my lids, leaving my inner corners. If you are not comfortable with your fingers, you can go in with your brush also, because these shimmers work absolutely well with the brush. So what I do, basically try to put a base with the brush and then take a little more glitter and start putting it with my finger to give a more intensifying look. Later I went with this silver shimmer and placed it into my inner corners and dragged it and basically mingled it with the gold one I wore first, so that they don't look harsh and they look all together. This is total optional step. You can straight up go with the same shimmer which we put first and then just blend it with the same matte and remove the harsh lines. Since I was using the palette for the first time, I was going a little slow with the shadows because I really never wanted to mess the look. I did finish the other eye, and yes, you can see there is a considerable fall off with the palette. Moving on to finishing touches of the eyes. So you see, it was so easy to create this look. You just have to blend the shadows well so that they look as if you did a lot of work on them. As we are doing a lining, I would highly suggest you go for a thin liner than a thick liner, because you want to enhance the eyeshadows which you have placed on your eyes. You really don't want to grab the attention of anyone only onto your eyeliners, so go in with a thin eyeliner. Moving on to kajal, pick any kajal you like. I did pick up the K Beauty kajal. The products will be mentioned in my description. So check out my description, you'll know everything about every product. So take any kajal you have and just tighten your waterline. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Tarte mascara. You can use your Maybelline mascara, L'Oreal mascara, any mascara would do. So I'm just putting mascara as much as I can, because I will not be going in with any kind of false lashes. If you are following me, you know I technically avoid wearing any kind of false lashes, because I personally feel that I don't have that much of time to put false lashes and attend a function, because I am super busy and I want something really quick and fast, and a good mascara does that for me. Eyes are done, brows are left, that will do at the end. Let's move on to our face. I've already moisturized my face before sitting. Later I went ahead with this Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Enriched Moisturizer cum Primer, placed it all over my face. You can go in with any primer you have. The best option can be the Maybelline one, it's really good. Next up, I wanted some more glow, so I went ahead with this illuminating lotion by Color Bar. If you don't have the MAC one, you can go for this one. Again, this also works very close to the MAC one. Moving on to some concealing, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer today. because I felt that I was looking a little tired in the video because of the extreme humidity around me and the amount of sweat is happening. You can clearly see it on my face that I do sweat a lot. That is why I prefer doing my eyes first and then my face. So I'm concealing my under eye just to give a little brightness to the under eye. And then I did use an orange color corrector to just cancel out my facial hairs around my mouth area, because I don't shave, neither I remove it with a thread. Jumping on to foundation, so I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand. Absolute wonderful foundation, very light, and it has a very nice glow to it. Not that shimmery glow, but it really makes you feel more skin like when you are done with your full face of makeup. With the help of a blender, I'm blending the foundation, and yes, this is how the foundation looks on my face. So if you're closer to my skin tone, you can go for the shade Sand, or you can even go for the shade Warm Beige, which is the exact match of my skin. Moving on to some contouring. Now this is completely optional, but if you are into contouring, then why not? I felt like doing one because I was planning to go in with the second layer of foundation. So I thought, let me just do a little bit of contouring. Take a sponge and start blending your contour. And after I'm done with my contour, I did went with the second layer of the foundation. It is a medium to full coverage foundation, but still I would not say it's a complete full coverage. Moving on to some setting. So I'm using a loose powder by K Beauty. Oh my god, I'm in love with this powder. I've done a full review, you can see it later. So I'm just placing this powder all over my face and basically fixing everything. Moving on to this interesting palette by Pixi, the Pixi by Petra. Amazing, stunning palette. Again, something which I have been using off camera. Soon you will see a review. Lovely palette, amazing formula, and yes, you get some amazing products in here, like you get a bronzer, you get a blush, you get a highlight, and not a bronzer, you get like 2 to 3 variants of bronzer here, 2 highlights and blush. Blush is more of a softer blush, so I will be going in with more deeper blush later, but this is how the Pixi blush looks on my face. So don't expect too much out of the blush they have given, because it is very soft and light. Moving on to some highlight. Even the highlight, if you will build it, it can go to another level altogether. But if you want to keep it subtle, more skin like, then you can keep it like that. Also, the formula is such that you can play around with it and you can do the way you want to see the highlight on your face. So you can go intense, you can go soft with it. This is an absolute wonderful palette made by Pixi. So if you are eyeing this one, you should definitely grab one for yourself. And then later I added more blush, because I am a person who loves a lot of blush. So yes, you can pick any other blush of yours and just add a little more. Finishing up the brows, I'm using this Color Bar Brow Enhancer, another favorite product of mine. I'm really happy to get this one, and frankly speaking, I think I should stock up on this one, because whatever I like a lot generally discontinues. Finishing up the eyes with inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight, and my lower lash line because these are the final touches which I love, or I would say which I do generally at the end. Moving on to setting up the face, so I'm using this MAC Fix Plus. You can use any you have. At this point I have to finish up with this one, so I'm using this as much as I can. Lipstick is a difficult choice, but for this kind of a look, and if it is a festive look, try going in with a deeper tone lipstick, a lipstick which is a little more vibrant in nature. So this is the Provoke shade by Sinful Matte, and this is the finished look. I really loved and enjoyed creating this look because this is something which most of us would love wearing, and yes, this is something easy to create and easy to achieve and easy to carry. I hope you loved watching this soft glam peachy eyes, which can be worn for all the festivals. If you happen to recreate, do tag me. But I loved creating this one. I will see you in my next one with some more looks, some more reviews, some more makeup. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.